back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Seja, and today we're going to be playing Adopt Me. We're going to be seeing what will people offer for Frost Furies and a pot of honey. And we have a visitor today. She's my best friend, Rawand. She's also going to be trading with me. So let's get our Frost Furies out and let's go outside. Come on. I'm gonna get out the car, okay? What car do you want me to take out?
Your Jeep.
Jeep?
Yes, the classic.
Okay. What? Okay, we're back. Okay, I better not fall this time. What happened to my pizza? Okay, it's here. Okay, better not fall again. Okay, good. Get in.
Hey, let me stand in front.
No,
Okay.
fine. I put the Frost Furies in the back.
Yeah.
Put them in the back. Yeah.
Uh,
Wait, get out of the car.
Okay. That's right. Nope. That's right. Okay. Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna go in the center and we're gonna see what people would offer for one pot of honey. I mean, should I get another one? Two pots of honey?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna buy one right now.
Oh, on my screen it showed that we were about to fall.
Yeah. Well, so we're gonna see what people would be offering for 2 pots of honey, a fly ride potion, and two frost furies. Ooh, there's gingerbread. Okay, so you do want to see what people would offer? Do you want it like
I got it.
Yeah, is this one mine? No, this one's yours. Pick up.
Yeah.
Okay, drop pet.
Uh,
Drop pet.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to do you want to say in the chat?
Like what?
Like say trading. Okay, wait. Trading. And a frost. You just say trading Frost Fury. Somebody has a neon meerkat. Wait, let me put my trades on if they're on. Okay, here. Oh, this girl has a ride of a neon meerkat. I kind of really want those.
I love meerkats. They're so adorable.
Yeah. I like... Oh, what am I... Okay. Let's see what she would offer. Let's put all of them in and see what she would offer.
Yeah. Oh my god!
Should I accept the trade? Should I?
Wait, no way. That's a really good offer.
I don't know if I should though. I'm pretty sure she's going to decline.
They might take something. Wait. They might take something away though. Don't accept it right now though.
I don't know.
That's a really good trade.
I don't know though, cause.
Oh my god!
I don't know. I don't think this is good. I don't know. It's good, but I mean like.
Wait. Let's see if they were actually accepted.
Okay, let's see if they're accepted.
People that.
Yeah.
Goes in and at the last second they decline it.
Let's
It's
see
so
if they
annoying.
accept it. I don't. I'm not gonna do this trade, but I just want to see if they're gonna accept it or not.
Yeah. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna decline.
Let's see other offers.
Okay, well, if nobody trades the honey, I guess I'm just gonna throw them at the end of the video. See what we can get. Maybe a queen bee. Maybe I'll give you one. You want one?
Oh, what?
Pot of honey.
Oh.
Yeah. A fly robin. Excuse me. Excuse me. Robins are my favorite game.
Okay. There's this.
Okay, so let me see what they're offering. Okay, so it's the same thing. The same trade that I got. I'm gonna accept it. Yeah. Oh no. I just want that robin, man. Robins are my favorite pet.
Okay, so what they're offering for my Rad Frost Furry is
It's the same thing. The trade that I got with my
Yeah,
Fly Red Frost Fury.
a ride-
I think I should decline. I wouldn't accept that.
it's a Ride Dodo, Fly Ride Turtle, a Ride Platypus,
An ice cream sleigh, a rocket racer. I wouldn't.
a golden
Okay.
tiara,
Okay, I'm
a
gonna
leash,
try and
a
trade this girl.
necklace, the Kitsune mask.
I would not accept that trade, to be honest. I'm gonna go get some
I'll tell
gingerbread.
them I will think.
I'm gonna get some gingerbread and then come.
Okay. No, thank you.
Yeah, I would also decline that trade, to be honest. Also, I'm gonna go in the avatar shop and see how much this Pikachu thing is. I don't want to miss one gingerbread left behind. That's just mean, right? I'm joking.
Yeah, no one. Oh, someone also has.
I had like 6,000 gingerbread, but I bought everything in the Frost store, like Snow store. So when it leaves, I won't like leave anything behind unless I trade it. But I don't think I'm going to. So I bought like all the accessories and all of that. So I'm pretty excited. Huh?
Someone's offering a normal Frost Furry.
Ooh.
But
You should offer though. Should I try offering? I mean, but I already have a fly ride, so
where's my leaning?
I would just offer like a fly ride potion. Just I would, you know, a fly ride potion. I think it's too much for a Frost Fury.
What?
A fly ride potion for a Frost
For a
Fury.
Frost Furry?
Yeah.
No, that's amazing.
I mean,
you know, it's a good trade.
It's kind of a good trade, but I don't think the other
Yeah,
person
it's
would accept, to
fine.
be honest.
No, they wouldn't do it. Look, I think
Especially if it's a Frost.
Furry.
Huh?
I think I'm gonna get another Frost Furry.
Oh. Ooh, I would be happy. Accept that trade.
Wow. Wow, guys.
I'm actually really excited. No.
Ugh, I hate those people. I hate it like when they.
Oop, I
They
accidentally
accept it
traded
and then
somebody.
at the
Somebody
last
traded
few
me. Ooh,
seconds,
okay. So let's add all of our things and see what they would offer.
Ooh, someone offered a Fly Robin, a Ride, a
Oh,
Pterodactyl.
oh, that's the same trade that I got. Why do we keep getting the same
Yeah,
trades?
they probably want that.
Somebody wants a neon dingo. Okay, I'm gonna have to decline that. Oh, gingerbread. Excuse me. Yes. I just got gingerbread, so I'm just gonna get another 160 gingerbread more.
Let's get some gingerbreads.
Yeah. You just missed 160 gingerbread.
Oh,
And that is not okay.
You know what's good? Like whenever you hit a
Penguin, you don't lose
you
the
don't
gingerbread.
lose it. You don't lose it. Yeah.
Like in the last year's update, Christmas update,
Yeah, whenever you
every time you hit the penguin, you lose the gingerbread.
Yeah, it's so annoying.
I mean, if it was the same thing in this one, I probably wouldn't have like any gingerbread. I just fell. I can't believe my penguin buddies let you adopt me. Okay. Well, I did have a penguin, but and then I gave it to my friend. I'm almost done collecting all the gingerbread. I may go back in the main. Oh, I'm gonna spawn my house. Oh, my Frost's very sick. Okay, I'm gonna take him to the hospital, and then can I move, please? Thank you. And then we're gonna go spawn my house. I was about to hit that penguin. Okay, I got all the gingerbread. Okay. Cause if you there's 160 gingerbread on the lake. You got hit.
Yeah. What do you?
I'm gonna take it to the hospital.
What do you like? What would you do for your Frost Dragon?
Frost Fury?
Yeah.
Like a trade?
Yeah, like would you actually accept it for?
I don't know. Probably a shadow. I'm just joking.
No, like
I'm
it's
just
a good
joking.
trade for them and you.
I don't know, to be honest. Like, I haven't thought about it.
Like, you want anything that's specific? Ooh, someone's offering a ride a robot dog.
Ooh. I don't know if you should accept that though.
No.
Should I try giving him a pot of honey?
It's that guy.
This dude?
Yeah, no, thank you. Sorry.
Right here? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, a pot of honey. Ooh, a
Mango.
robo dog. Should I accept that?
Cryptic Mango
Look.
is offering
I would accept that.
crack.
I would accept that. Look. Should I? Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm getting a robo dog. If they even accept.
I don't know.
And
Is
maybe
this a good trade? I don't know. Should I?
Should I accept this trade?
Should I?
Or the one, should I accept this trade? Yeah, that's good. Should I?
You already have two, right?
I don't have a robo dog.
No, you have another.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then do it.
Yay! Okay. I mean, I could just
Just-
buy another one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna buy another one.
Okay.
Should I buy another pot of honey? Gotta buy it. I bought it. Maybe we can throw these at the end of the video. My thing needs to go to school. I'll do these needs at school. Oh, you're still trading? I got a robo dog, guys.
Someone's
Ooh,
offering, so
you're getting my pot of honey.
never mind.
I really hope he gets a legendary.
Someone has a red yeti, a red snow owl.
It's okay, we have this.
Ooh, someone's
It's Orby.
offering a.
It's like this little thing. Okay. So we're gonna do these needs at school. Put him in the blue one. Can you move your elbow a little bit? Thanks.
You wanna join another server?
No. I think this one's pretty good.
Yeah?
I mean, I did get a robo dog, so I'm pretty happy with what I've got.
Oh, you still have two?
Oh yeah, I bought another one.
Oh. Okay. Someone is offering
I'm gonna show these.
a.
Why can't I feed it over here? That's pretty weird. Rude. I can't. Okay.
Is this a good trade? Someone's offering a ride frost furry for a normal frost furry, a cat, a steel drum, and toys.
Yeah, I mean, like, they're offering all of this for just a ride potion. Would you accept that just for a ride potion?
I don't think.
I mean,
No, I feel like-
yeah.
Yeah, no. Sorry.
You could get better offers for that.
Yeah. Oh, hi.
I'm gonna feed my Frost Fury a sandwich.
Right.
Okay, ooh, this girl has a snow owl. Maybe
I love snow.
Oh, I already
owls,
have
they're
one,
so
but maybe I
cute.
can get another one.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see, trading. And 2.
Oh, someone said if you have a red potion.
Oh, I have one. I have one. Trade me. Let's see what they will offer.
What's worth a
dragon.
Oh!
That's hard. Okay,
Oh
I'm
my
gonna say.
God. Just add a bit.
I'm gonna say add a little bit, cause I think. I'm gonna show them. Wait, no.
Maybe they would add something else, right?
A snow owl.
Oh.
I'm gonna accept that trade.
No, wait, tell them to add a bit.
No, that's
What
good.
Really?
A snow owl.
Wait, do you want anything to feed the rat potion to? Of any
I'm
of
giving
them?
him a ride potion for. Okay, it's a legendary. Would you accept that trade? I would, because it's a snow owl. Got a snow owl, guys. Okay, so my luck, I've got a robo dog and a snow owl, and I traded a ride potion and a pot of honey. Okay, I think I'm gonna. Oh, she's feeding her lings. She made it
Aw.
invisible too.
that's cool.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna have to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye, guys.